Hello, Yoni Markov from Elder Solutions Law Firm. Wanted to take a couple of minutes and talk to you in regards to elder law. What is elder law? What do we do? And how can it help you? So elder law actually encompasses a couple of different areas of law that specialize or focus primarily on our seniors. So that covers estate planning. When we're talking about seniors, sometimes we're talking also about blended families, meaning second or third marriages with kids from both sides and how the inheritance works. We're talking about advance directives, power of attorneys, healthcare agents, living wills. We're talking about revocable trusts so that we can avoid probate and have the inheritances go to the kids as you expect them to. Okay? Finally, in terms of estate planning for elder law, we do the planning with potential Medicaid in the future in mind. So we try and plan with that flexibility in mind. We talk about Medicaid planning. We do what I say, we reposition the assets to the adult children to make the senior eligible for Medicaid. Because there's two financial requirements for Medicaid. One is assets of less than $2,000, and the other one is income of less than $2,800. Both of which we easily fix, I say fix, and reposition the assets or the income so that you're eligible for Medicaid. Medicaid will pay for a nursing home at $12,000 a month. That's a lot for a family for a nursing home. So that's why we do Medicaid planning, which falls under elder law. Guardianship. For those seniors that did not do any advance directives, did not do any estate planning, and now have dementia and they can't do any estate planning, the only thing left then is a guardianship in order to make those decisions, in order to have access to the accounts, to pay for the services and stuff. That's what a guardianship does. I cannot stress enough how important it is to do the advance directives before it's needed. You don't call Geico from the side of the road after you had an accident in order to get insurance. You call them before it's needed. Same thing with advance directives. We actually do have a senior kit that is a power of attorney, the healthcare, living will, and a will. So we have that availability at a reduced price just to avoid the guardianships, because guardianships can be very expensive. Elder law also encompasses probate. Probate is a long process, take a year, year and a half, sometimes 2 years. It's an expensive process. 3% of the assets are the fees for probate. So if you have a $500,000 house, that's $15,000 just for probate, just for the fees. How do we avoid probate? Through a trust. That goes back to the idea of estate planning. So I'm hoping you can see that it all is sort of interconnected at this point. Going to just an estate planning attorney as a senior and who is not an elder law attorney, you're missing out on the other half of the picture that needs to get planned for. Finally, special needs trusts. These are used for individuals who are on Medicaid or SSI and are receiving an inheritance or a personal injury settlement, and they cannot get that money, otherwise they'll get kicked off of SSI or Medicaid. So we create a special needs trust. All those aspects, estate planning, Medicaid planning, guardianship, probate, special needs trusts, all of those encompass what we call as elder law. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We're always here and happy to talk. Thank you and have a great day.